This is video number 4, part 4 of me walking Conshohocken, the Wise Market on Butler Ave, next to the Schuylkill River, which I'll be filming that as well once I get there. This is still Lansdowne. I don't want to see, promote your business. Julie's Nails, personal nail care, ladies and gentlemen. Almost here. State Road, Westchester Pike is right up there. I was going to do this yesterday, but it was supposed to rain yesterday. My throat gets so dry. Gee, what's that, the coronavirus? Nope. That shit don't exist. You're being brainwashed with that shit. Look up George Colony. Colony, I guess C-O-L-I-N, I think it is. He's a stand-up comedian. He did the voice of Thomas the Tank Engine and everything. Like the lobbyist, look up George Colony stand-up lobbyist. The regulators he talks about, everything. So they got you by the balls. It's on YouTube, so check it out. I saved it, but I don't know what it was called. Upper Darby bus parking. It's hot already. I've only been walking for 26 minutes. I have shorts on. I guess this place closed. Yep, it did. Body shop looks like it's closed. Yep, took the signs down. Yep, it's closed. Should have did that years ago. Oh, that's what that truck was. That was down the street in Lansdowne. In our digging. Because where that truck was digging at, I wanted to put apartments there on Lansdowne Ave. Maybe I'll film that, the land. I'll film and put it on YouTube. I should put apartments there. Go check out this place needs drivers. The warm is what it's all about. Give you heat for your house. They need drivers. See, I told you they need drivers. So if you want to go work for them, apply on Indeed.com. There you go, free publicity, free promotion for you. There you go. Go apply for them. You can see that sign. They're hiring. This location's on Lansdowne Ave. Everyone needs a job, which nobody wants to work. See? There you go, drivers want it. I don't know how much they pay an hour, but It's pretty good, probably more than 15, maybe 16, 17, I don't know. You just sit on your ass and drive to people's houses and give them the oil, keep them warm for the winter. I know how to get that stuff for free. I know how to get free electricity, free water, and free cable. 100% free. Never pay for a single electric bill, never pay for a cable ever again, never pay for a water bill ever again. You don't see the news talking about that one, do you? Nope. They keep talking about the coronavirus every freaking day, even though it's not real. News won't talk about solar panels every day. If you put them on your roof, you get free electricity. But that's really expensive. There's 5,000 and some 600 and some solar companies that make solar panels. And you only hear about a few of them. And they're all expensive, they all overcharge you, way overpriced. They should let us use the free energy device that so many people created. Somebody's car is going to get towed. Banned it. I don't know why you ban your car. If it doesn't run or whatever, just get it towed or just drive it. Or have a tow truck come pick it up and sell it for what it's worth. This way you're not only paying for insurance on that car. This way you can get money back and put it into a new car, or just get the car fixed by going to a junkyard and get used parts. What you're supposed to do. There's nothing wrong with buying used parts. They'll last so much longer than a brand new part. Companies make their cars that way on purpose to get you to buy a new one.